Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Cristylicious. Today, it's my birthday. I'm going to make lasagna for my guests. So, let's start off with 600 grams of ground beef,
1 pack of lasagna sheet, 1 bottle of spaghetti sauce, 450 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 200 grams of ricotta cheese, 150 grams of cream cheese, 1 piece grated zucchini, 1 beaten egg, olive oil, garlic, onion, salt, and pepper.
Now we're going to move on to the sauce. Let's add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's add the pre-prepared ground beef. I sauteed it with garlic and onion. Mix thoroughly until the meat and the butter have been well combined. For cooking this lasagna, I'm going to use the Saladmaster-style, but you have an option to use an oven for 375 degrees, 45 minutes to an hour. What I have here is 1 bottle of spaghetti sauce. We're going to use the whole bottle. Let's mix the sauce until the meat has been incorporated with the sauce. Next, let's add salt, pepper, and sugar and stir well. After 2 to 3 minutes, let's take some of the sauce and leave at least half cup of meat sauce for the first layer. Moving forward, lay the noodles over the meat sauce. To complete the first layer, we will add the shredded zucchini. Please note, for each layer, we need to use the lasagna sheet. For the next layer, we will spread the mixture of ricotta cheese and egg evenly. Now, let's add the mozzarella cheese followed by sliced cream cheese. For the final layer, we will disperse the remaining meat sauce. To finish off the last layer, let's sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Now we're all set. Cover the pan, turn on the heat for 225 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the noodles have been thoroughly cooked. Here's the lasagna. Now we will be showing some highlights of my party and the tasting guests.
Happy birthday, Cristylicious! Happy birthday! Amazing, thank you!
How about you, Tayo? Edeline? Dadan!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Alam mo na. Di ba, Mi?
Wish! Wish ka na?
Yay! Good health kay Insan.
Hi guys, welcome to Cristylicious. Today, Christina invited some of her colleagues to celebrate her birthday
Yay, it's my birthday.
to indulge on the food that she prepared. Without further ado, here are the food tasters for today.
Hello!
Hello!
This is my favorite job!
Food tasting! Alright, let's
Ashley, will you calm down, please? I've already had 4 pieces of this, but I'm acting like it's my first bite. Alright!
me
Okay,
too.
cheers! Cheers!
Cheers!
Lasagna! Oh, Jennifer! I gotta get in on this. What is that? What is that? No!
No! Make it a little bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger, bigger.
There, Jen, take that. Take this.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday. Oh my God.
OMG, this is so good. It
Yep.
melts in your mouth.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's really good.
Amazing.
Excellent.
Yay, thank you so much. And please
Subscribe.
subscribe.